The earth has music for those who listen. In every walk with nature, one receives far more than he seeks. Nature always wears the colors of the spirit. The clearest way into the universe is through a forest wilderness. Adopt the pace of nature. Her secret is patience. Nature is not a place to visit. It is home. The poetry of earth is never dead. Look deep into nature, and then you will understand everything better. To me, a lush carpet of pine needles or spongy grass is more welcome than the most luxurious Persian rug. Nature is not our enemy, to be raped and conquered. Nature is ourselves, to be cherished and explored. Nature does not hurry, yet everything is accomplished. Nature is the art of God. The earth laughs and flowers. In nature, nothing is perfect and everything is perfect. Trees can be contorted, bent in weird ways, and they're still beautiful. The wilderness holds answers to more questions than we have yet learned to ask. Nature is not a place to escape to, but a place to come home to. The earth is what we all have in common. The beauty of the natural world lies in the details. Nature does not require fancy clothes or flashy colors to impress. It simply is. We do not inherit the earth from our ancestors, we borrow it from our children. Nature is pleased with simplicity. And nature is no dummy. Nature is not a place to be visited. It is home. The richness I achieve comes from nature, the source of my inspiration. Nature is the art of God. I go to nature to be soothed and healed, and to have my senses put in order. The best thing one can do when it's raining is to let it rain. I believe in God, only I spell it nature. All my life through, the new sights of nature made me rejoice like a child. Nature is the best medicine for the soul. Nature is not a place to visit. It is home. Nature is not a place to be, it is a way to be.